Where is your emergency?
Hola, me intentaron disparar, un hombre anda con una pistola. Yo estaba caminando al perro.
Yeah, en un momento, no cuelgue. Voy a conectar con intérprete. En un momento.
Please select your language. Press 1 for Spanish, 2 for Swahili, 3.
Good afternoon, this is Interpreter ID 39330. How can I help you?
Hey, I have a caller on the other line. They just need to know the exact location of her emergency. I'm going to go ahead and connect us now. Ma'am, I have an interpreter on the line now. What is the address of your emergency, please?
Buenas tardes, soy intérprete en español. ¿Cuál es la dirección de la emergencia?
40220 or 40299. Someone almost shot my girlfriend just now, and she left the dog outside, and the dog is nowhere to be found.
Oh, okay, sorry. You're at 9000 Red Deer Circle, apartment.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes.
What exactly happened?
Someone without a shirt pointed a gun to my girlfriend, and she ran, and she left the dog, and the dog, I cannot find him now, but the guy was without shirt, roaming around.
Okay. All right, and what race was he?
¿Qué raza era, mi amor? ¿Blanco o negro? White.
White male. How old did he look to you?
Without shirt, ¿cómo parecía? Fat, with belly, and with short hair. What else? ¿Qué otra cosa? No clothes on. Strong, fat but strong.
Okay. And how old did he look to you?
¿Cuántos años parecía?
Like era joven.
Young. He said like looks young.
Okay. All right. And what's your name?
My name is.
Okay. Okay. All right. So did he fire the weapon?
Disparó la pistola. She said almost. She said she hid behind something. Then she ran.
Okay.
Tranquila, baby, tranquila. Levántate del puerto. ¿Y nunca? Ve para adentro, tranquila. Le voy a quedarme aquí, ¿ok? No voy a salir, ¿ok?
Okay. Did he take anything?
He took my dog. I cannot find my dog. I'm calling him, but I cannot.
Do you know him?
The man asked if he was fine, and he said yes. And then he pointed the gun at her.
Okay.
Parecía árabe o hispano o americano. He looked Hispanic, he said. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Just stay inside your house. Stay inside your apartment. Keep your door locked. Okay.
Tranquilo.
We'll get the first available officer out there.
Sure. As soon as possible, please.
All right. Bye-bye.
Do you have the suspect description or anything we can start looking on?
Working on it.
¿Dónde fue? ¿En la lomita de que atrás?
They speak any English?
She was going this way. She was going this way, that way. And then she was going. Él venía del lado allá para acá. He was coming from the little loma over there. This way.
So he's coming this way?
He was coming this way, and she was coming this way.
He was coming which way?
Yeah, he was coming from left to right.
From the apartments back over here.
Do you speak a little bit of English?
Yes.
Can you explain him for me? Because I'm about to go look for him.
Sure, it was a white dude with a belly, no shirt, a little bit strong.
No shirt?
No shirt.
Okay.
With a pinkish gun, she said.
Pinkish gun?
Yeah, like a pink, like purple, or maybe that's what you saw. Look between Hispanic and American. Then
He asked me if I'm okay. I said yes, why? And he put me with the gun, and then I'm going to the trash.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I got behind, and then he, I was scared, so I roamed. And he said, oh shit. And I left the door there and roamed.
How tall was he?
Era de mi tamaño más o menos. Te digo el pelo.
El pelo bajito.
El pelo, short hair, about my size.
Como carmelito.
Like brownish hair.
Yeah. It's either a holdup or at the least a one endangerment. It sounds like. Did he point a gun at her?
Yes.
Okay. So
And
there's no.
He
didn't
said,
take her
oh,
dog or
shit,
anything.
maybe he tried to fire. And
Did he take anything? Like take her dog?
The dog was with her. She ran, left the dog behind, and then I called the dog, and the dog came.
Okay,
back.
I got you. It's a one endangerment. We'll go look for him.
Okay. Yeah, she's in back this way here.
Hey! Hey! Hey man, put the gun down! Put the gun down! Tones, George, no tones!
They're like, we gotta rebrand this. What's gonna... Was that a person standing there? He's pointing this way.
Drop the gun!
613 Adams, shots fired. All units 1086. We have one subject down. Start EMS.
Somebody hold on him. I'm gonna
I got him. I got hands.
You got hands? We'll hold on.
Yep.
Hey, get back in!
Stay in there!
Get inside, get inside.
Stay in the house! Stay in the house!
You address that, please. We got this.
Where's the gun?
He's got to be on it.
All right.
Hey, somebody go hands.
Fingers on that trigger. Watch it.
He's down. Gun secure.
Hey, we'll protect that apartment. Hey, you said cover up.
Let's go ahead. Let's get him cuffed.
Metro Police! Metro Police!
Hey, are y'all okay inside?
Are you all okay?
All right, I'm hooking up. Let's see what we got here. Dude, he's got one in the dome. There's nothing I can do for this.
Huh?
If we want to put a chest seal on that, we can put. We're fine. We're fine. We're.
Drop the gun! Hey, we. Hey. Somebody hold on him. I'm gonna check on that. You got hands? We'll hold on.
Hey, get back in!
Stay in there.
Get inside. Get inside.
Stay in the house! Stay in the house!
You address that, please. We got this.
Where's the gun?
He's got to be on it.
All right.
Hey, somebody go hands.
Fingers on that trigger. Watch it.
He's down. Gun secure.
Hey, welfare check that apartment. Hey, you said cover on him.
Metro Police! Metro Police!
Hey, are y'all okay inside?
Are you all okay?
I just want to make sure nobody's. I mean, you don't see anybody laying down in there?